The Eufy Security Smart Lock Touch is a cutting-edge addition to the realm of home security and convenience. Designed with both functionality and style in mind, this smart lock redefines the way we interact with our doors. At first glance, the Eufy Smart Lock Touch impresses with its sleek and modern design. The smooth, minimalist exterior is complemented by a durable construction, ensuring both aesthetic appeal and longevity. Its compact size allows for easy installation on most standard doors, seamlessly blending into any home decor. One of the standout features of the Eufy Smart Lock Touch is its advanced fingerprint recognition technology. With the touch of a finger, homeowners can effortlessly unlock their doors in just 0.3 seconds, eliminating the need for keys or codes. This not only enhances convenience, but also enhances security by providing a highly secure method of access. In addition to fingerprint recognition, the smart lock also offers multiple modes of entry to suit individual preferences. Users can choose from fingerprint, keypad, or traditional key entry, providing flexibility for various situations. The keypad is backlit for easy visibility at night, and customizable passcodes can be set for added security. Integration with the Eufy Security app further enhances the functionality of the Smart Lock Touch. Through the app, users can remotely control and monitor their lock, receive real-time notifications of activity, and manage access for family members and guests. This level of control grants homeowners peace of mind, knowing they can always stay connected to their home's security, no matter where they are. The Eufy Smart Lock Touch is also designed with privacy and data security in mind. All fingerprint data is securely stored and encrypted locally on the device, ensuring sensitive information remains protected. With Eufy's commitment to privacy, users can trust that their personal data is safeguarded at all times. Installation of the Smart Lock Touch is straightforward, with step-by-step instructions provided for a hassle-free setup process. Compatible with most single-cylinder deadbolts, the Smart Lock can be installed in minutes using just a screwdriver, eliminating the need for costly professional installation. In summary, the Eufy Security Smart Lock Touch combines stylish design, advanced technology, and unparalleled convenience to deliver a superior home security solution. Whether unlocking with a fingerprint, keypad, or smartphone, homeowners can enjoy effortless access control and peace of mind knowing their home is protected by the latest in smart lock technology.